In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email your Shopify customers. Sending a direct email to your customers can be an essential part of maintaining good relationships, providing updates, or simply answering queries directly. Let's dive right into it and see how you can easily achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, go ahead and look at the home page of your Shopify dashboard. On the left side, you'll notice a panel full of options. What you'll want to focus on here is the button labeled Customers. Simply click on that. This section is where you can manage all customer-related activities on your store, and it holds the key to reaching out directly to individuals who have interacted with your business. Once you're in the Customers section, you'll see a list of everyone who has either made a purchase or shown interest in your products. Carefully browse through this list and select the specific customer you'd like to email. Don't worry if the list is long. You can use the search function provided on this page to find exactly who you are looking for quickly. After selecting the customer, click to open their detailed information page. This page is vital as it provides all sorts of helpful details about that particular individual, like their purchase history, order details, and almost everything you'd need to tailor your communications. Take a moment to glance through and focus on the section where you find their contact information, which includes their email address. Now, you'll see their email clearly displayed there. You have a couple of options at this point. If you wish to open your email client directly, many setups allow you to click on the email address itself, and it will open a new email draft for you automatically. If this isn't an option, you can simply highlight the email address, right-click to copy, and then paste it into the To field when you open a new email in your email client or service of choice. Whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or any other service, you can now craft your message in a way that's personalized to your customer. This is a great opportunity to speak directly to your customer, addressing any issues or questions they might have, or even offering them special promotions or updates on new products. Remember that personalizing your emails can make a huge difference in how your communication is received. And there you go. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to directly email your Shopify customers. With this skill, you can keep your customer service personal and upfront, ensuring they feel valued and heard. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.